coffee or tea and some milk. So I'm just with my mother-in-law right now. Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw ng buwan. Talagang paborito no?
Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please subscribe. Thank you.
Back guys, I am the one.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have Chef Shabazz here right now who's going to make for us a bihari kebab and a sikh kebab. So first, what we have to do, Chef?
We already marinated this beef.
Yes, in which
This
we
ready.
cannot share you because it's a secret recipe.
Yes, that's my secret. So we're going to make it ready.
He's just gonna make it ready now. You're so told what to do.
No problem, just make
And
it
you
now.
have to be here. And then breathe.
Oh, see, my tummy is big. This is the effect of quarantine,
Small.
COVID-19 quarantine.
Shabazz, then why the other one are having? I think you have to make
No,
it like this.
no, maybe not like this. It will not be. I'll better use this one.
So I think I will try to help you.
No, I'll better use this one. Instead of using that one, I'll use this one, the big one.
Isa, no! Don't touch, baby.
I'll fill it.
So it's here, guys.
So this is for the kebab.
So that one's marinated as like as well. But, you
Oh,
know,
Musa. Move, move, move.
don't touch it, please.
This is half on fire. Hooray!
Musa, go and watch your Pennywise. You don't want to watch Pennywise? Can you say hi, guys?
No! The clown!
Yes, the name of the clown is Pennywise.
And the clown.
He's watching the It movie.
Look!
It as in I.
Musa, please move away,
Musa,
beta.
say hi, guys.
Hi guys!
No, look at the camera. Say hi. Say hi, guys.
Give me this.
It's dangerous, Musa. It's not for you, Bo.
Isa, please move away.
Now the two naughty kids are out of the room and they're making this. This is very hard here. Maybe this is some kind of pie.
So first we have to make a ball.
And it's going to make the, what is it, sikh kebab?
Yes.
So this is the sikh kebab. And
Can
this
you stop this small boy?
Isa!
Mama! I'm here!
Okay. Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Welcome to the video!
Welcome to the video! That's how you make like 3 chickens. We
No,
have
that's not it. That's beef.
It's a beef.
no, it's beef.
It's a beef meat. Yeah, it's correct. It's beef meat.
It's a beef chicken. It's a beef chicken.
It's not a beef chicken, Musa.
It's a beef
Today is Tuesday, guys, and we just, they just felt like they want to eat.
Isa,
They want
stop
to
it,
eat
beta.
barbecue, and barbecue here in Pakistan is either chicken or beef or lamb. So now we have beef. This is marinated overnight.
This is how a fire.
Yes.
Yes, Papa is going to start now the baligyahan. See, it's moving because Shabazz passed by. Don't say Shabazz, it's Papa.
Papa,
Musa, no, don't touch. This is not for small fish, Musa.
it's only chicken,
It's beef.
beef,
You eat beef, right?
beef, chicken, beef, chicken, beef, chicken, and that's chicken.
Musa, who was there outside today? It's Baba.
Barbecue.
Babaji.
Smelly.
Oh. Isa, stop touching. They keep on passing by the wire of the.
Smelly.
go there.
Smelly.
Check what that's like. What is
Stop it.
They're so naughty, I'm telling you. That's why whenever we go to the restaurant, they cannot enjoy our food because they're making a lot of mess. What's up, please? What's up? Open the door. Do not pop outside.
Relax, let's go to room. Come. Huh?
Put oil.
Yes.
It has to be flat, right?
No. Sometimes you don't make it flat. In the round they make it flat.
Didn't show there. This one here are pieces of meat. Another one is just, a ground. Your tummy is showing more than your face.
This is the effect of the quarantine.
Then why I don't have tummy? It's just my clothes, a child that is big but not my
You're
tummy.
working now.
And he's not working.
I'm working on the laptop.
This is the problem, huh? When it's quarantine, everyone is taking off and I don't get off. Sam, can you imagine that?
Can you give me this?
You're so fat and you cannot. Okay, no. It's gonna be shaken.
No.
See, shaking.
So, there is no.
This is very quick. So, guys, here in Pakistan, we eat the barbecue differently. Like, in the Philippines, like to eat it with rice. But here in Pakistan, they don't eat it with rice. And they like to eat it hot. So, like, once it's cooked, they will serve it right away. Or they will eat it right away. So that's what's gonna happen. You're not gonna see all the barbecues gathered, all the cooked barbecues together. No, you will be seeing that. You will be seeing all sticks later. Because once, for example, this stick will be cooked, then it will be given to Abji, whoever wants to eat. And it's gonna be like that. So I tried this bihari kebab already. It's really soft, guys, and it's tasty. It's the spices of Pakistan is very nice as well. But it's just that the only difference is we don't put sugar. So for us in our barbecue, we put sugar. In the Philippines, I'm talking about Philippines. Yes. Welcome to the video. Oh, Musa, guys.
Hi.
How are you?
Where are you? Run!
No, you go.
You scared of me?
I'm not scared of you.
You scared of a monster?
Yes.
You scared of a clown monster boy?
Yes, there is this clown monster which is called it. And it's it.
Have a lot of shit and lot of mommy's hands.
Yes. Have you seen that?
The man is cutting this man's hand and the boys don't get out in here.
Tell them what happened. What did you watch?
The boy have a one line and then ran in this.
And he ran where?
And this the boy said, and the clown come back.
You're watching it still until now?
And bite his boy and shed a lot of spikes teeth.
Spikes?
Spikes teeth have a lot of fart.
Spikes teeth? It's not a spikes.
Man!
Yung pangil, spikes teeth daw. kasi ang tutorials, di ba? Shark's teeth? Oh, it's like a shark? The clown's teeth is like a shark?
That's how a clown shark. And look, the boy is scared. And the man, the mother-in-law of three mommy's hands is holding his man's arm.
Oh, really?
This is three mummies.
Three mummies? There is mummy there?
This is a clown. And lots of fun.
Isa! Stop jumping! Lose your feet! Oh my god!
Abu punya besar.
Musa, don't touch it!
And now,
Isa, come here! What did you do to your Dito yung... Kasi si Isa, talon ng talon. Ano nangyayari? This always happens to him. He will keep on jumping until he will lose his pads. Dito, you're doing the shame thing. What is this? This is... Don't do that to your mother. You're not the Pennywise. Okay, tell them what happened to it.
it's a clown and have a lot of sharp teeth. And now it's gonna have a white face.
And...
And the clown is come back in the store. In the boy.
Oh my god! What if the clown will come back for you?
And the clown
Come back for
comes
you.
back and turns into a clown.
What if the clown will go to you as well? What you will do?
The clown is seated in the... I'm a super robot and a robot that fight on the stage. That monster farm. See the monster farm, the bee? He have a shark's teeth. And it's-
Shark's teeth or shark teeth?
and
जरा बाज मारना निकली तो चढ़ के दे दे भैया
तो पगारे तो मारी.
अब बाबा जाना था चाट
Oh, babe ke pote ka naam hai Musa. Oh,
Oh, the
ay.
Bihari kebab is breaking.
Papa, you?
Khadiya bhi the give me this, I'll take it out.
Isa! Kids are making mess now.
ना
Just dig it.
चढ़े राजस्थान गाड़ी
I think it's not cooked.
It is cooked but half cooked, not cooked. Oh.
This
थोड़ा
one
ना राटा लगे ना
mushkil hai. It's breaking.
तो प्लेट रिप्लेस कर दो भी ना ला सकते सीधा ना
अरे अपनी लगी बेटे.
Lijji hame? What lijji?
इतने के ना ला के दे दिए
We will add lijji.
चल मैं कबाब ही मारी.
लोग
Galing yan. Kata-kata juicy na.
मैं कबाब अच्छा बना है.
Musa, you will smell like smoke now. See, smell your body, you will smell like smoke.
वो तो पहले रोटी खा रहा हूँ ना.
Come here.
नहीं
Three pieces of sikh kebab were cooked and directly eaten. Because I was telling them it's different than the ones that I made last time. Even in Philippines, they will first grill everything before they start eating. So here, this is how we eat here in Pakistan. I mean for us in our house. Musa? Musa knows how to dance. Do you want to dance? Don't touch. Just stand here.
Mommy, I want to see this. I want to put me up now.
Okay, don't touch, okay? Just stand there.
Papa, it's the sun.
What sun? There is no sun.
It's a black sky.
It's a dark sky.
Dark sky.
हाँ.
What happened? Are you trying to touch the smoke? You
I want
can
to catch the moon.
You see the moon?
I have blue eyes. And
Blue
there's
eyes?
a sky.
Ang kulit ni Musa.
My eyes.
What happened?
Look. The moon is burning.
The moon is working.
I have my eyes.
Because you're moving, that's why you felt like the moon is moving as well while you're looking at it.
Yes. I see yesterday.
Tell them what you see.
I see the moon and put my eyes in the sky.
Oh, and the moon is moving?
Yes, oh, the moon.
Oh, we got coke here.
It's you who's moving. I will take the coat. Take this boy.
Boy,
Oh, leave it. Perhaps we'll do later.
Later, Papa, later.
Roti. Roti.
You will eat roti now?
Yes.
Okay. Roti ka na, eh?
Roti. Roti shark. Roti shark. Roti shark.
Yeah? मुझे भी एक रोटी ला दे
अच्छा ठीक है
Don't boil me.
What is that?
That's not. You want this one? It's really nice, the music is not that. I will switch it off now. Then that's not.
Bye.
Not like this one.
Mama, you dance now?
I don't want to dance.
Huh?
You're not supposed to drink anything at all, but I'm just giving you.
I don't like it.
Okay, I don't drink it. I like it, Musa.
I don't like it.
Eat now. Bye.
You don't eat with me anymore.
Come. Come now, eat.
How could you judge the
Ah.
I don't want. What is it, Bihari?
Yes.
Is it cold now?
Yes, it's good now.
Shabazz, are you sure
My
this
eyes
is
is
cold?
burning.
Yes, it's good now.
Parang takot ako kainin kasi parang hindi siya luto. Luto na rin naman. It's cooked hard. It's nice, but it's hard. The one I got is hard.
I'll mix the batter for the... No, it's not hard.
It has.
Hold this, Isha.
Parang ayoko na papasok na ako sa loob. Ang kulit nila, hindi ko kayang kontrolin to.
Now.
Don't touch it.
This is the
Don't touch it. It's dangerous. Put it down. Ang kulit. I'm really gonna send you back inside now. Come.
वो उसमें चीजें बताएंगे भाई.
This side. Mami ji, और रोटी? I just brought it home. The Bihari kebab is nice with roti. Oh, God. I'll put oil.
Yes. Oh, this one I will remove from here. I will transfer it to this one. After this one, we need to give it to Abhijit. Yeah? Because we didn't give him right.
So what do you think? Did you mix something in it?
Small flour, all-purpose flour, to give it stability and strength.
Stability is right.
Yes.
So I can also
We
eat.
want-
I can also eat all-purpose flour, so I will have a stability and strength.
Yeah, you will have. You are eating all this right now. You should try the roti. Roti is the best. It gives you energy.
I just reversed them.
The problem is with this stick, this stick does not hold the kebab properly.
That's why the Irani kebab, they make it flat, so
Yeah.
it will be light.
Yeah, they make the flat stick, they use flat stick. But here we need to give it to Abhi first. So we can make the bottle later. What is the...
I bought 3. I want to drink Coke.
Pera nga pala mo bilao mo.
The marination is nice for the Bihari kebab.
Yes. I'm the one who made it.
But you cannot tell the ingredients because it's a secret. There is no matcha, Amina. Matcha nahi because smoke aa gayi hai na. What about kebab for Abuji? The Sikh kebab. Should the Bihari kebab for me what it boiled down acha? Shabazz? I don't like kacang.
Here this one will probably okay.
Or I mean the one which is not really cooked. And how about the other side of this too?
Oh.
Oh, the other one fell already. I told you. Oh, it keeps on falling, Shabbat. I think that the coal eats more sick
Where is
kebab
that net?
than that.
Where in the kitchen? That outside cabinet.
The one I told you, the same that I did in my barbecue last time.
So these are all the kebab.
Pen.
Yes.
Oh, so what we'll do?
Oh. Okay, go ahead.
Eh?
Go ahead.
But how many?
Kadhiya, we just need to take this out now or सारे जाएंगे kebab.
Just make like this. See, on this edge, you make like this the kebab.
Papa,
Take this out and put here. Shubha.
अच्छा.
You make like this the kebab here.
this.
क्यों जाए क्यों बताते हो उसको
What? Wash. Wash. Look, I have Lego somewhere. It's Lego somewhere. Wash. And
Musa! Why Abuji? He's taking out this car?
I don't know why. अब घर भी बाहर निकालने आप.
उसे बता वो बता रही बात को
Musa, move away.
Musa, come here. Nice.
Can you pull me, please?
फिर मैं कबाब ले आने की कुछ जुगाड़ करता हूँ weekend का.
Eh?
कबाब ले आने की.
Let's go. Finish that. Only for Musa that one only.
Very nice.
I found a grape.
Good.
What you have?
I have grapes. I have grapes stronger. Stronger. Grapes.
Put the grapes in the table, come. Masarap naman siya, guys. Beef barbecue. Pakistani style.
तभी वो सब तीनों को ऐसे होगा.
It's tasty.